Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims and I am here to teach you another line dance. I wanted to say thank you for coming back and clicking on this video each and every time. So this dance here is very popular, it's very simple, everybody is doing it, and I want to make sure for those who don't know the dance, they can do the dance. Now I'm going to teach two versions of this dance. There's a certain part of the step where you can do one thing or you can do the other. So I'm going to teach both versions. So instructors, you select what version you want to teach. Personally, myself, I would teach both versions, and it would encourage my students to incorporate both versions in the dance. It just offers variety. The name of this dance is called Fitna Get Loose. It is a four-wall dance, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. Before I do, if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. This is the step-by-step instructional. If you want to dance along with the music, just watch till the end and just click on this video and we can dance together. So let's go. I'm going to turn my back to you. And we're going to start with a step drag on the right and the left. So what we do on the right, we're also going to do on the left. So it starts right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So that's a step drag with a triple step on the right and the left. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3 and 4, left 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that is your first 8 count. The last step is going to be on your right. So we're going to do something called a jazz square, but it's going to be modified because a jazz square is 4 counts. We're going to do 3, okay? So the last step is on your left. We're going to cross right over left, and we're going to step back, left, right. So normally it would be a 4 count, but we're going to do 3. So we're going to cross 1, 2, 3. And now we're going to go into something called a weave. So we step forward, step side, step back, step side, and step forward. And we're going to do that step until we get to 8, the count 8. So we're going to count from the jazz square, the modified jazz square. So we cross 1, step 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And the last step is going to be on the left. So you're going to do a weave like 3 times. Forward, back, and forward, okay? Stepping across each time. So cross right over left, 1, step 2, back 3, cross 4, side 5, back 6, side 7, and 8. So that weave, this right leg is going to take you into that direction. So all it does is take you to the side. But this leg here is going to be fancy. It's going to step forward, side, back, side, forward. And you do that 3 times. So your last step will be on your left. So let's go back to the top with a step drag, triple step on the right, then the left, the modified jazz square, and then go into our weave. All right? 5, 6, 7, and a right. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Give me a minute. Would you count along with me? I want you to learn how to count, because when you learn how to count, it's going to let you know if you're on the right foot or not. And also it's going to help keep the tempo and the rhythm of the dance. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left 5, 6, 7, and 8. Cross 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Did you get it? Now, the first version of this dance, you stay right here and you just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's one version. The second version, you can do this version or this version. Side rock, recover, shuffle across, side rock, recover, shuffle across. So I did an 8 count. That was the first version. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just standing here doing an 8 count. Or this same part, you can elect to do this part. Side rock, recover, shuffle, shuffle, side rock, recover, shuffle, shuffle. Let me give you that count. 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, left 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you elect which one version you want to do. You can do both versions. What do you mean, Linda? It's a full wall dance. So when you turn, the first version, you can do this. The first wall, you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then go on with the dance. Then when you start at this wall here, because it moves clockwise, you can do that side rock recover. So you can alternate between the two. That's totally up to you. Or you can do just one version. You decide, okay? All right. So let's go back to the top and we're going to add on. 5, 6, 7 on the right. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left 5, 6, 7, and 8. Jazz 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now when you do that, you're going to step on your right, moving forward. So we go right, left. So we're going to do another weave. So we did a weave with the left leg moving to the right. Now we're going to do a weave on the right leg, stepping on the right, moving to the left. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we actually going to weave 2 times, and we're going to turn on the 3rd time. So remember, the first weave, we travel 3 times. We step to the front, we step to the back, and we step to the front. This time we're going to step to the front, to the back, and then we're going to turn on the 3rd one. We're going to use that 3rd one to get to our next wall, okay? And it goes like this, right? Because remember, that last step was on cross on that left, and then you want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, my heel is up. I'm going to step on that right again. Right, left, forward, side, back, side. That was 2 weaves. My right shoulder going to come forward, 3/4 turn. I'm going to step right, left. That's a big step. I'm doing a 3/4 turn. So I'm passing 3/4 walls on 2 beats to get to the next wall. And that wall will always be to your right. But the right shoulder coming forward, we're going to take the scenic route. We could make a 1/4 turn, but we're going to take the scenic route and go the long way only on 2 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My weight is on my left, but I'm going to step on my right after that 8 count. Right, left, forward, step, back, step, step again, and then turn. Right, left, in the dance. So, maybe not. Let's do our count. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn, 7, 8. Right, left. Pick up your feet and make that 3/4 turn. Don't spin around, step around, okay? That's the dance. So let's put it together. Step, drag, triple. And I'm going to show you both ways, okay? 5, 6, 7, step, drag. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Count with me. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Jazz square. 1, 2, 3. Weave. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn 7, 8. So stepping around on right, left. And that's the end of the dance. Now let's do it the other way. So I can do it at this wall, but I'm going to show you at this wall so you can see my footwork. So what you're going to show me, I'm going to show you that side rock recover. You don't actually have to stand there all the time. You can do the other version. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side rock. 1, 2. Shuffle. 3 and 4. Left. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn. 7, 8. And that is your dance. That is finna get loose. So I'm going to, in the next video, let's dance together. Okay, it is a full wall dance for finna get loose, moving clockwise. Make sure you share this video with someone. Hit the thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. That really makes my day when you leave a comment. I'm going to leave a heart or something, or leave a comment or something. So you leave a comment and I'm going to leave a comment. Also, make sure if you haven't done so, subscribe and hit the notification button. What happens is when you subscribe, you don't have to come looking for the video. The video will notify you like, hey, she uploaded a video. So I'll see you in the next video. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.